Reuters.
Banking woes continue across Europe. Profits at Barclays, Britain's third biggest bank, were well below those of a year earlier in the first quarter, after its investment bank and fund management arms were hit by tough financial market conditions. Barclays will release its full trading statement on May 15th, but there are still concerns it faces billions more in losses after rivals have written down the value of their risky assets. Credit Suisse announced a $5 billion write-down for the first quarter, and Royal Bank of Scotland has said it could take a hit of nearly $12 billion. European shares were a mixed bag in afternoon trade, some taking their cue from Wall Street after glooming housing data in the US. The FTSE Eurofirst 300 was up just over 0.1%, and oil continues to hover around the $117 per barrel. And airlines are making the headlines. The European Commission has expressed concerns over the legality of Rome's plan to lend around $470 million to struggling airline Alitalia. And Airbus workers are on strike to protest plans to move some French Airbus sites to private partners, fearing they will eventually be moved out of France due to the strong dollar and the expensive production costs in the Eurozone.
By protecting Airbus, we protect our industry. It's very important that everyone realises what is at stake today. The Germans realised they've defended their sites. They are right to have done so, and we are happy about it. What I'm waiting for is this moment to happen in France. Otherwise, what kind of industries will remain if we let go of aviation?
Airbus incurs most of its production costs in euros, but sells its aircraft in dollars, putting it at a disadvantage to US rival Boeing. It has already been forced to announce an increase in its dollar list prices to compensate for rising metal prices and the weak greenback. Stephanie McIntyre, Reuters.